Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making a wallpaper design, wallpaper decor ideas. Now I use a wood. It's a useless wood to color on it. I use brown color to make this. It's a rough, but I color it. Now it's a perfect shape. I use this useless bulbs. I color like this. It looks amazing. I use blue color on it. Now our bulb is ready. Next is a orange color. Now our light is ready almost. To make this, I used poster colors. I use yellow color on it. No, like this. I use a ribbon for it. To make this, paste on it. Paste of the other side. Okay, our wood is ready. Now other work is to paste a bulb on this wood like this. Paste on it. Another use other glue on it. Our wall decor idea is ready. Now, thank you for watching my video and please subscribe my channel. Look like this.